Today we will understand how an air conditioner works step by step. An air conditioner does not create cold air. In the indoor unit, warm air from the room is pulled into the air conditioner by a fan. The air first passes through the coil. As the warm room air touches the coil, the refrigerant absorbs heat energy from the air. The refrigerant becomes a warm, low-pressure gas. This gas travels through a thick, insulated copper pipe called the suction line. The compressor is the heart of the air conditioning system. It compresses the refrigerant gas, which increases both the pressure and mix. The hot refrigerant gas now enters the condenser coil. A fan blows outdoor air across the condenser coil. The refrigerant becomes a high-pressure liquid. It flows through a thin copper pipe called the liquid line, which the liquid refrigerant now passes through the expansion valve. This device reduces the pressure of the refrigerant suddenly. The cold refrigerant now returns to the evaporator coil inside the indoor unit. Here it absorbs heat from the room air again. The refrigerant circulates through the evaporator, compressor, condenser, and expansion valve in a